How to create a vacation rental website on WordPress. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a vacation rental website on WordPress. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on WordPress, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a web content management system that started as a tool for publishing blogs, but has since evolved to support broader publishing needs. So from here, all you need to do is to simply sign up your account, or you could also click the link in the description below. Then you will be able to be directed on this dashboard of WordPress, and to start creating or editing the website, you can simply go on the left side panel and simply click the appearance button on the left side panel and click the themes. However, upon clicking on it, it will show you in here that some of these are offer only for upgrade account. So in the search bar, I'm going to search, for example, this vacation rental, in which upon searching on it, you'll be able to see the result. However, most of the result available in here need to have an upgrade account in order to access this. So I'm going to choose to sort this to free. However, there is no available free themes in here offer. And for that, we can start creating new by clicking this new button on the top panel and click the page. And by clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed in here, and it will show you how do you want to start creating your website. But in those options, I'm going to choose this blank page. And from here, we can simply add the title of our page or website in here. And at this point, I'm going to enter my vacation for rent in here. Then below, you could also type this slash, or in the left side panel, we can start adding here some of the options such as patterns, blocks, media files. We can add here paragraphs, heading, lists, quotes, and many more. For example, we're going to add an image in here, in which we can start selecting in here on media library, or start uploading our own in here. By choosing upload media, you can start choosing on your computer files. But let's say in those options, I'm going to choose to generate with AI. And from here, just simply enter to describe the images that would you like for the AI to create or generate. For example, I'm going to enter here vacation beach, and upon clicking the generate, it will show you below that the image is currently being created. So all we need to do is to wait for it to load. But while we're waiting, we can simply go back to this page once again and add another kind of patterns, feature, or media that we prefer. So for example, I'm going to enter here the pattern which is events, this one, by simply dragging it in here. As you can see, it is now currently added. And we could also click some of the context to start customizing it. For example, I'm going to enter house 1 for this event 1. And also this button, we can start customizing the word. For example, I'm going to customize this to make it book now context. So basically, the customer can simply click this book now button if they want to rent or book for the properties in our website. And for this name, I'm going to enter VK2. But you could also enter different kind of context in here depending on your preferences to make it bold, italic, and many more. And for now, we're going to choose this gallery and choose or place these images that is in here on our template, and choose the media files that has been created by AI in here. So I'm going to click this one and click select button to proceed. Now, as you can see, it is now being uploaded. So we can simply replace this image in here. So we can start deleting it. And as you can see, it is now currently added. So basically, as you can see, we just input here an images of the properties or the vacation that the customer can book or rent. Now, this is the book now button where they can also click this. But since we need to have an upgrade account in WordPress in order to start creating a vacation rental website, we're going to use other platform or website that can help us to redirect our customer where they can start navigating our vacation rental website. And with that, you could also add here on the left side panel a button which is book now button. By simply clicking these elements or blocks, all you need to do is simply enter here a text. I'm going to enter here book now. So basically, there's no link connected on this button. And to do that, just simply highlight this one, then simply choose this link icon in here, in which all we need to do is simply enter here the URL, which our customer will be redirected. And that website is called wix.com, where we can start clicking create new site button and use Wix editor on the top right corner. Then we'll be able to be directed on this page right here. or we can set up without chat or AI. And on this, what type of website do you want to create? Just simply under here, rental, vacation, or website in here. Then just click the continue button to proceed. And now that the dashboard is currently being prepared, all we need to do is wait for it to load. Then we will be able to be directed in here. In which on this pop-up window, just simply enter here the name of the website that you prefer. For example, I'm going to enter here VK for rent. Then click the continue button. The next thing that we need to do is simply choose the Wix apps in here. I'm going to choose the hotel. Then continue to dashboard. Now, as you can see from here, we could also navigate some other options such as the setup or other first room type in here that is available for our customer can rent or book in here. So all we need to do is simply complete the setup for Wix hotels. And aside from that, on the left side panel, we could also navigate or integrate some other application by clicking this apps button. From here, it will show you a variety of professional solutions or application that we could also integrate. We have here social media icons, contact form, which is also helpful in booking form, and any other website or application in here. When going back to this home, just click the design site button on the top right corner and it will show you an option to choose, but I'm going to choose this customize with template. And upon clicking the template, just simply choose here the selected template that you prefer and click edit button to proceed. And after that, you will be directed in here, where it will show you on the left side panel some of the editing tools that you can navigate to edit this website template. We have here add elements, section, pages and menu, site design, and many more. And to start navigating or customizing this website, we can start by choosing customizing the name of it. And I'm going to enter my vacay for rent. Then below, we could also scroll down and choose different kind of pages in here, add elements, and even add different kind of section that we prefer. Now under this site pages and menu, we're going to choose this book or room section. So these basically the pages where our customers will be able to be directed from our WordPress website. So this basically how they see our website, where they can start choosing a room in here that they want to book for their vacation. We could also use the quick edit, wherein it will show us on the right side panel that we can start customizing, including the content, elements, and many more. And if you're now done, we can proceed by clicking the publish button on the top right corner after customizing this website. And upon publishing this one, it will show us in here the link of the website that being published on Wix. And from here, just go to the book section in here, where our customer will be redirected from the WordPress website. And after clicking this one, just simply copy the link of it or the URL of it, then go back to our WordPress and just simply paste in here. So as you can see, it is now currently linked in our Book Now button. So when a customer tries to visit our WordPress website and click the Book Now button, they will be directed on this page on our Wix website where they can start booking their vacation in here, such as choosing a room and many more. And now if you're now done, just click the publish button on the top right corner and click the publish in here to proceed. But overall, that is just basically how you can create a vacation rental website on WordPress. Thank you.